Namaste dosto, welcome back. In the previous lesson we learned चश्मा मतलब and how to ask cat को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, dog को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं. In this lesson we are going to learn some rules of pronunciation. This lesson is mainly for those who are learning Devanagari. So let's begin. This lesson is about the inherent vowel. We all know that whenever we write a consonant in this form, it has the vowel a also. This contains the consonant n plus the vowel a. This contains m plus the vowel a. In this lesson we are going to learn when we don't pronounce this inherent vowel a. Previously I had told you that we don't pronounce the a that comes at the end of a word. Like Kamal, Ka, Ma, La. So separately they are Ka, Ma, La. But when we write Kamal, we don't pronounce the last a. Kamal. Apart from the last vowel, there are some more situations in which we don't pronounce the inherent vowel. As of now, we are going to learn two of them. What are those? Those are words of three ending with a matra and words of four. So, if the word is of three but not ending with a matra, we pronounce the second inherent vowel. But when we add a matra, the pronunciation becomes Kamala. So, Kamal, Kamala, Kamal, Kamala. And when we add one more letter, the fourth one, it becomes Asman. Asman. So here we don't pronounce the last a and the second a. ठीक है? Let me give you some more examples of all the three cases. So in the first group of words, you see three-letter words not ending with a matra. We pronounce Kasam, Sanam, Aman, Suman. ठीक है? The second group of word is three-letter words ending with a matra. Kasme, Ladka, Lakdi. ठीक है? Did you note the difference? The third group is four-lettered words. Asman, Marham, Milkar, Almari. Asman, Marham, Milkar, Almari. Here we finish this lesson. The next lesson will also be a pronunciation guide lesson. We will learn the difference created by her. ठीक है? See you soon. फिर मिलते हैं. नमस्ते. Bye bye.